Hi everyone. So in this video I will going to show you how to insert the timeline. For that we have to first go select the data. We have the data right here, and first we have to select the complete data. Here we have taken 1 month data. After selecting that data we have to go to pivot table and take table range, and for this take this new worksheet and click on OK. Here here we have the pivot table here. Go to pivot table, analyze. Insert timeline, take insert timeline. Here click order date. So yeah, we will get the timeline here. See, from Jan to December. We have to click expand in this way, and we can see this. The timeline was created. From if we want a particular data, we can find out the days from here, or if you want to take anything from this like quarters, months, years. So this is how we will create a timeline in Excel. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will teach you everything in my regular videos. Thank you so much.